Chapter 13 Interview Handling. After completing his law at University College London, a young Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is looking for a job. He is going for a job interview in a law firm in London.
Gandhi ji is going for a job interview. It's going to be a learning experience for you.
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
A well-dressed Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi enters the room, in which an interviewer is sitting already. Narad and Deep are overhearing the conversation.
Good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Tell me something about yourself.
I have completed my law at University College London. I am looking to work for a company that provides me ample opportunity to learn and grow.
Deep, even though Gandhi ji has given a brief description of himself, he could have handled the question in a better way.
But how?
One should make a brief but systematic statement which highlights your education, professional achievements, future goals, and also covers a description of your qualifications for the job and potential contributions you could make to the organization.
Okay.
What is your major weakness?
I often worry too much over my work. Sometimes I work late to make sure the job is done well.
Well said, Gandhi ji. See, Deep, Gandhi ji has tackled this question beautifully. He is positive and turned a weakness into strength.
What is your experience?
Sorry, I don't have any experience.
Oh, Gandhi ji has not been able to handle this question appropriately.
Please explain.
If you don't have any experience, then tell the person why you feel the company should hire you. And also make sure you tell the interviewer how much you are willing to train for this job position. Whatever you do, do not say you have experience if you don't. If employers find out that you were lying, you could get fired and not be eligible for rehire.
That's a good point.
What is your salary expectation?
What are you going to offer the best candidate?
Bravo! Well said, Gandhi ji.
He should have quoted a figure. He may get a less salary this way.
Before going for the interview, one should find out what the current salary range is for the profession. Talk to people in the profession and get an estimate. Negotiate for the best package. Try not to answer this one with a figure. You could ask the interviewer what he is planning to pay the best candidate. Let the employer make the first offer, and then, if it is not good enough, make a quote.
I got it.
We are going to offer a good salary package to the deserving candidate. Do you have any question?
No.
This is not an impressive answer.
Why?
Saying no says to the interviewer that you are not very interested in the company and not very smart. So be smart. When you research the company before the interview, come up with at least 3 questions to ask about the company itself during the interview. For example, ask what plans they have to expand in the next 10 years, or ask what new products and services they might be considering. This is not the time to ask about salary and benefits either.
That's interesting.
Gandhiji leaves after the interview. Deep and Narad move ahead with their sojourn.